Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to update software version for your headphones Corsair HS55. You have to start by opening the application, and now make sure that your dongle is connected to your PC, and then you should connect your headphones with a cable. So just connect USB-C cable to your headphones and USB-A cable to your PC. After that, click the settings icon near to your headphones, and then click Update Now. Got it? And now we should wait. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!